Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Microsoft Office configuration progress every time Excel or Word starts in Windows 10. Click View tab. Click Options. Click View tab. Uncheck Hide extension for known file types. Open C drive. Open Program Files x86 folder. Open Common Files. Open Microsoft Shared. Open Office 12 folder. Open Office Setup Controller. Rename setup.exe to setupold.exe. Open Word or Excel. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.